1945 saw the lights go on again. Once more the nation's capital was blazing in all its glory, and in cities throughout the nation the blackout was ended. Germany had surrendered, the war in Europe was over. There was still a war to be fought to a finish in the Pacific, but that couldn't dim the celebration that marked the fall of Hitler and the end of his dreams of world conquest.
The year is 1945, a time to stop fighting and focus on the future. Countries are being rebuilt and scientists are heading back to the lab. Ahead of his time, futurist Vannevar Bush publishes the paper titled As We Think. The paper in which he describes an automatic machine that can record human thoughts onto tape and play them back.
And the relations, the resemblances between the brain's operations and the operations of a modern analytical machine is a fascinating aspect of it.
The Memex is born. President Truman understands the huge potential of the Memex. The project is put under secret development by the Defense Advanced Research Project Agency. Codename Memex is classified as federal secret. The Memex has to continue further under the radar of the general public. The year is 1960. World's leading computer scientists and physicists are invited to form a team to work on the Memex for DARPA. They work and do research together to come up with a plan for developing the Memex. Involved universities include most prestigious institutions such as Berkeley, Caltech, Harvard, MIT, and Yale. The team is finally formed and major breakthroughs are made in advancement of the project. In order to attract commercial interest, the Memex is pitched to the leading companies of the industry. Proof of concept of the working Memex is presented to both Xerox and IBM. Companies seem very interested and are eager to work with the new technology. Negotiations take place to secure copyrights of the original idea. Both companies get a deal and have to come up with a mainframe within 10 years. Tensions rise. Work on the mainframe is rushed, leaving little spare room. The first company putting the mainframe out on the market will secure the position and will lead industry standards for years to come. Production costs of the Memex are too high, leaving only large companies able to afford one. The board is forced to sell to the government for more federal funding and merge teams at IBM and Xerox. Money is directly invested into the project to improve technology used. Merge of Xerox and IBM opened up a figurehead position. Tim Berners-Lee is elected by the board to become the new president of the company. Lack of funding causes the company to go to Dow Jones for a public offering. In order to secure the future, a new direction for the company is required. The project is set to be open source. Various ramifications occur as the project branches quickly spread. A World Wide Web is formed.